Hi guys, in this class we will learn about escape sequence. Escape sequence chapter is very important that is used in every programming language. So in this class we will learn about what means of escape sequence examples, and practically how you can use escape sequence in PHP program. First of all, escape sequence are the special character. You will see that these are the special character that used for a special purpose. Different PHP escape sequence are given below. First of all, this is a escape sequence that is used to get a double quote. So this is a backslash. Backslash is very important. To put a backslash is necessary. After backslash, you have to get any character that is a escape sequence. In that case, we used a double quote. This is a escape sequence. You will get a double quote in the browser. Actually, you not get any double quote or single quote in a browser. For example, you use echo. When you use a echo method display anything else in double quotation, when you use any double quotation, inside double quotation you will get an error or you will not get a result. For that reason, you have to put a backslash and then a double quote. In this case, you will get a double quote in a browser. So there are many other escape sequence also. For example, if you want to get a backslash, a single backslash, you have to put a single backslash after this backslash, because first backslash is very necessary. To start escape sequence, we use a backslash. After one escape sequence, after one backslash, when you put any escape sequence character, that will display. If you want to print backslash, what you have to do, this backslash is necessary to put. This is a necessary. Then when you put a one backslash, after this backslash you will get a one backslash. When you put a another backslash, you will get a two backslash, because this is very necessary to put. Another is a dollar sign. If you want to print dollar sign, you have to use a backslash and dollar sign. If you want to get a new line, you have to put a backslash and n. If you want to get a tab, you have to put a backslash and t. So these are different character that we say that these are the escape sequence. Now I open Visual Studio Code and provide example to clear your concept. In a Visual Studio Code, just create a new file and copy this basic structure, paste here, and then what I have to do, this is a escape sequence.php, and then change title as required, escape sequence, and then I want to also write here escape sequence. Now what I have to do, I want to use an escape sequence. For example, I will use a echo method to display anything to user. For example, how are you? Open the browser and you can see that this file is open. That is a previous file. This is a localhost. After localhost, you have to type folder name. After that folder name, I mention another folder name in which our file is saved. I want to make duplicate of this tab and then remove this file name, press enter. This file I want to open escape sequence. Now what I have to do, I want to use the escape sequence. For example, to start escape sequence or to use escape sequence character, you have to put a backslash. That is very necessary. For example, I want to display double quote. When I refresh, you can see that double quote will display here. Without backslash, if you try to display double quote, you can see that you will get an error. For that reason, you have to use a backslash. We can also display a backslash, and another backslash. One backslash will display. Another is a, if you want to print a tab distance, you can also use a backslash and t. For that reason, you can see that there is no distance that is provided. For that reason, to use tab and new line, you have to use a pre-tag inside HTML double quotation, because you can use HTML tag inside echo method, then it will work. It will give a one tab distance. You can see that. And when I use another tab, you will see a more distance. For that reason, you have to use a pre-tag. I can also use here a new line escape sequence now, or we'll start from the new line. You can see that. So these are different types of escape sequence. Another is a, if you want to display a dollar sign, a backslash, and dollar sign, you will display dollar sign. So these are different types of escape sequence you can use in PHP.